How to add music to post with multiple photos on Instagram. Hello guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. I hope you are doing great. So let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your Play Store. Now tap on the search bar and type Instagram. Now tap on search. Now again tap on Instagram and make sure you have updated to the latest version of Instagram. Now tap on open. Now at the bottom of your screen, tap on the plus icon. Now select story. Now tap on the photo menu window and select photos. Now tap on next. Now select the layout you want to choose. At the top part of your screen, tap on the music icon. Now select the music. Now tap on done. Again tap on next photos. Again tap on music and select any music you want to add. Now again tap on done. Now tap on next and tap on. So by following this simple step, you can add music to post with multiple photos on Instagram. Thank you for watching our tutorial. I hope you liked our content.